YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, welcome. Nice to see you on the other side of the screen. In this episode, we continue with our build, and this week is all about the body. But now, as always, the riddle. How many horsepower did the first 2CV have? A 9, B 13, or C 15 horsepower? At the end of a show, it's always their answer to it. This week we want to change our little duck in a pickup truck. The French answer to El Camino, if you will. But see for yourself down in the garage. As you know, we want to change our little car from this to actually this here. And for that it was of course necessary to chop off the rear end of our little car. I still had that old Ford bed laying around, and I thought, well, that was gonna fit perfectly to our little duck here. Of course, that needed a few modifications to our body. After all fit with the cardboard, it was time to make it out of styrene. Time to mount the bed to the car. The same kit that offered me the bed also gave me the rear fenders. Since the car is front driven, we don't need no differential on the rear, but just a straight axle. Cut it out of some sprue. Time to take care on some mold lines and some little scratches. But now, back to the studio. Alright, all the main customization is done. Now, we go back to the garage and put some paint on that duck. But first we had to finish the bed, and then we finally could put some paint on the car. Okay, let the fun begin. First, Rusty. Then we put some salt on the places where we thought the rust should shine through, and then we painted it red. The next part is something that we really enjoy here in the shop, and that is scratching down the salt, and you see it's just like immediately looks almost like the rust just came through. It's fantastic. This car has a roof that you could roll on and off out of fabric. We were not happy with that plastic part that was in the kit, so we made one out of fake leather. So then of course we have to weather that a little bit too, but that's actually all for now. Now back to the studio. This week we have another shop cut coming in, and of course it's still downstairs, but that's no problem because we have magic, right? And here I am back. So this is from Joe from Mad Genius Productions. Let me see what's in here. Oh wow, well, that's cool. Mad Genius Productions, you see? That's a cool card. Awesome. Check out his channel, fantastic guy. Thank you, Joe. We continue with the riddle. The first Citroen 2CV had the capacity of 22.8 cubic inch and was about 40 miles per hour fast, if you can call it fast. But how many horsepower did the first 2CV have? The answer in the riddle. Okay, another Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you had a few nice moments with us and you be inspired for whatever your weekend project is. But now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. lot of fun to do it. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I hope you could take something out for yourself or as an interesting as I hope you could take something out of it for yourself. For how you what? I
hope you got something out of it.
Got something out of it. Okay. Okay.
500,057.
Mm-hmm. Well. Another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over. I hope you could got something out of it. You could. Well. Another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over it. I hope you got something out of it. Maybe it was a little bit entertaining for you as well. Don't start giggling. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday.
You know what you said?
No.
Another episode of Car Dreams and Styrene is over it.